Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Quick question for you. Do you find yourself wishing you had more light when you're doing your makeup? Or maybe you're just tired of sitting on the floor when you blend out that eyeshadow? Or maybe like me, you have a 2-foot version of yourself who won't stay out of your makeup. If you can relate, then sit back and let me show you my budget-friendly fix. Now, before we got the upgrade, we had Kaden, my vanity the hubby purchased for Mother's Day. I loved the espresso finish and the ottoman that came with it. At first I thought getting this on sale for $134.99 was a steal. That was until I realized 3 things. Not enough light, not enough storage space, and it wasn't Tatiana proof. Because of the limited storage, I had to hang up baskets. Sure, that helped with storage, but it definitely didn't help protect my lipsticks from the 2-foot sticky fingered diva that roams my house. Please see Exhibit A, B, C, and even D. So right away we knew it was time for a change. So then we decided to start looking for a table. We ended up finding this table right here at Target. This is the Trestle table. We picked this up on sale for $60.99. Unfortunately, Target didn't have any coupons going on right then. I'm not really using the table at the moment because Tatiana can still reach that stuff. But one of the things that I like about this table is that there is space to add some things on there. There's definitely space for some decorations, which I would love to do, again, once Tatiana's not able to reach it. Then we have this bottom shelf here. This is part of the Threshold collection from Target. This piece was on clearance. I picked it up for $9.99. I am able to hold about 13 palettes on here. This is a mixture of contour palettes and eyeshadow palettes. This acrylic lipstick holder I picked up at Ross. It was originally priced at $3.99, which is a really good deal because you can find these at like Walmart, Target for like $10. Because there's a little crack right there, like barely a crack, I actually asked them to take it down a bit. So I picked that up for $2.99. Like I said, this shelf is part of the Threshold collection. I also picked up these 2 shelves. I have this one right here. This is part of the Threshold collection from Target. This was on clearance for $5.99. I would not recommend getting these shelves. These are the floating shelves. It was super hard to put together, maybe because we didn't have a leveler and a drill, but it was a pain in the butt, probably the worst part of the entire project. This mirror, I love. It's simple, it's cute. I went with a white theme for everything. This mirror is the first item I purchased. I actually got this from Walmart for $4.99. It comes in black. Side note, also, this table comes in a espresso finish that would match this chair, but again, my whole scheme was to go white. I'm actually going to be replacing this chair that I'm using right now with a white ottoman once I find the one that I'm looking for. Back to this mirror. So again, this mirror I picked up for $4.99 at Walmart. Also, a find that I picked up at Walmart are these lights. These are GE LED lights. I'm a big fan of these. If I could turn it on, there we go. So the light switch is just right on top or on bottom, depending on which way you have them rotated. They are Velcro, so they just stick to the wall, so it's not messing up your wall at all. They swivel, so you can move it up, you can move it down. Because this is the top one, I have it down pointing towards my mirror. You can also slide it. I don't know if it's gonna let me. Yeah, you can slide it, and then you could have it standing up like this. So if this was standing straight up, it would be going up in the air. So like that. But it's not how I holding it. But that's one of the things that I liked about it, is that I had some options as far as lighting. I picked these up at Walmart, like I said, for about $8.66 all together. Back to the acrylic. I also picked up this acrylic holder at Ross. This one I got on sale for $4.99. So again, a pretty good find. And here I'm able to keep my blush. I have my, let's see, eyeliners, mascara, tweezers, primers, my beauty blenders in there. So again, the whole idea of this project was to keep things up and out of arm's reach of Tatiana, and so far so good. This lipstick holder probably holds about 30 to 35 lipsticks and lip glosses. I don't have all of them out. I rotate based on what I'm using, and I have doubles of some things, so I have those put away. There is a larger version of this desk. It's the same length. The difference is that it has a double shelf. So you see this one has one shelf. It has a shelf like right underneath it. I didn't pick that one up again because I'm not going to be using any of the shelving right now because I don't want Tatiana to be able to reach anything. So yeah, this is just a quick look at what we quickly put together. Again, this works for what I'm needing. Hopefully you can take some ideas that I used for this look to create something that works for you. Like I said, it was budget friendly. It wasn't too expensive. Again, the table from Target, the Trestle table, got it for $60.99. This shelf right here is it's called a wall shelf, and it's from the Threshold collection. We picked that up for $9.99. This floating shelf is also from the Threshold collection. We got that on clearance at Target as well. This mirror, again to recap, $4.88 at Walmart, and the lights $8.66. Any comments on anything that you have done differently? Definitely let me know. I'd love to enhance this as my makeup collection grows. There's also a Threshold shelf that you can add just to give you some more space. Again, if I were to pick something up like that, I would start using the top shelves versus the bottom shelves because I need everything to be Tatiana proof. But yeah, this is just a quick peek at what I'm working with every day. Thanks for watching. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said in the video, it was basically just going over my DIY vanity, how it works for me, how taking some of my ideas can turn your space into something that works for you. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And hit the little bell so you can get notifications for every time I upload a new video. I don't have a video for this look that I'm rocking today, but I did do a live Facebook feed today, so you can check that out on my page. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Erica10, and you can follow me, sorry, I'm like watching Tatiana get into my stuff. You can also follow me on Facebook at Erica10 as well. Thanks. Peace, love, and chicken grease.